In industrial projects, power isn't just about lights and machines, it's the lifeline of your operations. At Kalinda Technical Services and Consultancy, we design electrical systems that keep your business running safely, efficiently, and ready for the future. A well-engineered electrical design is the difference between smooth production and costly downtime. It ensures your facility can handle current demands and future expansions without disruption. We start with power supply and distribution, from high-tension incoming lines to low-tension panels, creating a reliable backbone for your operations. Our cable routing and tray systems are engineered to minimize voltage drop, maximize accessibility, and keep your plant clean and organized. Earthing and lightning protection form a crucial layer of safety. We design robust grounding systems and lightning arresters to protect both your equipment and your people. Lighting and small power planning ensures every corner of your facility is well lit, energy efficient, and suited to your work environment. Life safety is built into every design, with fire alarms, emergency lighting, and safety controls fully integrated and compliant with regulations. Every electrical design follows IS, IEC, and local authority standards, ensuring safety, efficiency, and a hassle-free approval process. With proven experience across industrial sectors, KTSC delivers practical, safe, and future-ready electrical designs tailored to your unique needs. Let's power up your next project. Contact KTSC today.